Connect Samsung Buds 4 Pro into your laptop. First of all, you will have to take a look on the back of this charging case. As you can see, here you can find a pairing button. And you have to input left earbud and the right earbud inside the charging case. And you have to open this charging case cover. So right now we have to also make sure that these earbuds are not connected with some other devices, and you have to just click and hold this button and wait for indicator until it starts blinking, just like that. Now we can put it just on your laptop with that case open, and what you have to do is just to open the settings. Now on the left side, go for the Bluetooth and the devices, and here turn on Bluetooth. Next, you will have to click to add device, and you have to select Bluetooth device. There we go. And in some cases, it's called the Bluetooth headset, but this is actually our Samsung Buds 4 Pro. When you click on them, you will be connected, and as you can see, the name will change for the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Now as you can see, we are connected, and that's everything for this video.